The amount of data being collected every year is growing faster than ever, with every human on the planet producing 102 megabytes of information every minute. That's roughly 300,000 Instagram stories, 1.4 million Tinder swipes, or 4.5 million YouTube videos every minute. But with all this data being generated, what are companies doing with it? To help us answer this question, we will be exploring the relationship between business intelligence and data mining. Business intelligence supports the decision makers of an organization in making strategic decisions by analyzing internally generated company data. The data is commonly transformed into a visualization, such as dashboard, which displays results using graphs, charts, and KPIs, helping decision makers point out trends and anomalies that wouldn't otherwise be apparent. By using this information, businesses can harness insights on what is and isn't working in their organizations, forecast future trends, and improve overall business operations. Data mining is the process that enables business intelligence. Since data is often raw and unstructured, this makes it challenging for its users to draw any meaningful conclusions. Data mining decodes these complex datasets and delivers a cleaner version of them to the business intelligence team who derive insights. In addition to providing insights on internal operations, data mining, as we'll soon explore, can be used by e-commerce companies and even political campaigns to deliver hyper-personalized advertising to a target audience in order to sell their products or deliver key messaging. But first, to understand how data mining is used in BI, we are going to explore how companies use hyper-personalized advertising to reach their target audience.
In 2019, Google earned $134.8 billion from advertising, making advertising a key component in a modern technology company's business arsenal. The exponentially growing revenue in the chart correlates to the rate at which the internet population is growing. Online advertising serves as a convenient avenue for tech companies to monetize their services and for advertisers to efficiently reach their target demographics through hyper-personalized advertising. Facebook Ad Manager and Google AdSense are the two most utilized digital marketing platforms due to their comprehensive data collected on each individual user and the scale of users each platform hosts. This enables advertisers to personalize their ads and show them to targeted demographics based on their online behavior and background.
Hyper-personalized advertising also benefits customers. In 2016, a Lucent advertising company did research and it shows that 71% of respondents prefer personalized advertisement fit their interests and shopping habits. The reason why customers desire personalized advertising are helping reduce irrelevant advertisements, discover new products, and making online shopping easier.
Now let's take a look at how it's changing industries and business models. In the e-commerce industry, 22% retailers have adopted dropshipping as their primary model, making it easy for anyone to start a business. How does dropshipping use business intelligence? Platforms like Facebook Ads Manager and Google Ads use millions of data points to connect these businesses to their ideal consumers from anywhere in the world. Let's look at an example of Jill, who owns an online apparel store. In Jan 2020, 50 customers bought from her store. She uses descriptive analytics and several points of analysis, demographic, location, and behavioral of these customers. She then uses Facebook to create powerful lookalike audiences that match the same profile. She's also able to manipulate the price and product that each audience see based on their interests to optimize the chance of purchase.
The ability to separate and target segments of users in a hyper-personalized fashion can also be used in politics. Under the umbrella of business intelligence, we find the concept of predictive analytics, the use of data, statistical algorithms, and machine learning techniques to identify the likelihood of future outcomes based on historical data. Cambridge Analytica, a self-described global election management agency, was hired in the 2016 US presidential election to target and spread messaging to very particular demographics. Firms like Cambridge Analytica use predictive analytics and data mining to build a psychological profile of each voter. The agency had 5,000 data points on every American voter, which they used to identify persuadable populations, people who were on the fence and susceptible to being influenced in their voting decision.
Cambridge Analytica helped to sway voters in so-called swing states, where the political direction of these states were usually unclear due to indecisive voters. Knowing this, Cambridge Analytica designed personalized advertisements which they thought would resonate with those individuals based off of the data that they had. 1 century ago, oil was the most sought-after commodity, but in today's world, it looks like data has become the new oil. With the amount of insight and knowledge that can be extracted, utilized, and shared, the data economy is now arguably the most valuable. It fuels everything, from hyper-personalized advertising to corporate dropshipping, all the way to political intelligence. So the next time you see a targeted ad on your social media, Think about how your data was an input in the larger process of business intelligence.